Well, the weather's changing here in Minnesota. It's going to be crappy here real soon for, I don't know, 5 months or so. But we did have a good couple months with the car after it got finished. A couple weekends ago, we went to Mexico.
Yep, Mexico.
Well, that was a good time.
Welcome to Mexico. Sign back there. Bienvenidos.
Food's really good here in Mexico.
Then last weekend we went to the Go Drive It cruise hosted by QA1, which is local here. Got to cruise with Tina Pierce Racing and a couple drag trucks. That was awesome. But today we've got one more event locally. It's at the barbershop that we went to a couple weekends ago.
Red's Chop Shop.
Red's Chop Shop, where I got my haircut the other day and it was awesome. But they have like a trunk or treat kind of Halloween themed thing, so we're gonna go check that out. So probably do that, and then it'll be time to wrap these cars up and get them parked.
Well, we're back out here at Red's Chop Shop for another event called Trunk or Treat. Now, this is one weekend before Halloween, but the weather's probably going to be crappy next weekend, so we've got the car all decked out with candy and stuff, a bunch of kids in costumes and stuff. Let's go check out the cars always. Quite an event out here today at Red's Chop Shop with the Trunk or Treat. We've got the s'mores campfire over here. Come this way. Check out all these cars and kids everywhere. Kids, costumes, candy.
Well, the Trunk or Treat event at Red's Chop Shop, that was a good time, and we're itching away trying to get the last day, and we got the cars all piled up here with the new cover on it and everything, and I'm going to show you why, because just like that, this is what Minnesota's going to give you, and car season is over. So if you enjoy our videos, I've got some other things planned where we're gonna make some room here, and then I got a special thing that I'm bringing out that has been tucked away for about 5 years now. So we'll start working on that this winter and try to stay warm and keep on going. Like, subscribe, all that.
no.